presenting a pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango RT. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 182,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.